Okay, are these lines perpendicular? Explain. Well, let us first identify the slope of this first line. The slope is the value that is the coefficient of x. And what's in front of x? It is -1. Okay, even though you don't see the 1, you see just a negative x. We know that's -1x. So that one's got a slope of -1. Let's check out this second one and let's solve it for its slope, and we can then see if it's perpendicular. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say minus 5x from both sides, because what I want to do is isolate the y's on the left-hand side. I'm going to write it in slope-intercept form. Okay? And I get negative 5y equals negative 5x plus 15. And of course now, to get it down to y equals, I need to divide both sides by -5. So I say negative 5y divided by -5 equals, each term needs to be divided by -5. So negative 5x divided by -5, and then plus 15 divided by -5. And we get now as an equation in slope-intercept form, y equals 1x, or just x, minus 3. Okay? And then what do we know? We know that that one has a slope of 1. Are they negative reciprocals of each other? Well, yes, I can show it to you in two ways. One, we can write this slope as, you can take any whole number and you can put it over 1. So we can say that's the same as -1 over 1, right? And this one is 1 over 1. So if we took this one, -1 over 1, and we flipped it, and then took the opposite of it, that's what we would see here, 1 over 1, okay? So they're negative reciprocals of each other. And another way that you can see it is that, as we know, negative reciprocals, when you multiply them together, you get -1 as a product. So let's take this first slope here of -1 and take this slope here of 1, and let's multiply them together. So we've got -1 times 1 equals -1, and that's what we should always get when we have two slopes that are perpendicular to each other. Okay, so what do we get as an answer down here? Yes, their slopes are equal. No, that's not what we're looking for. They shouldn't be equal. That would be parallel lines. No, their slopes are not equal. We're not talking about parallel, so that's not relevant either. Okay. Yes, their slopes have a product of -1. That's true. That's what we want. Yes, they are perpendicular because their slopes have a product of -1. Okay. And it says no, their slopes are not opposite reciprocals, but they actually are opposite reciprocals. So that's not that one either. That's the answer.